All right, Yon World, we back with another one. Check this out today on my YouTube channel. We're going over the best SMM panel on the internet, socialmediafarm.net. Go ahead, leave a like, comment, subscribe, turn on post notifications for your boy Yon World. Now today on my channel, I want to go over some updates made to socialmediafarm.net. There's been some updates in the payment methods allowed on socialmediafarm.net and a few new services that I want to bring to your attention. Now, if you use socialmediafarm.net, you know this website has one of the largest selections of different services you can use to promote your social media profiles across the internet. And you could also come on this website and resell all of these services if you have different clients willing to buy them from you. So one of the updates made is under the categories in Spotify, right? And if you click on Spotify and you go to the different services we offer, you will see some new services right at the top. Now, one of the new services is getting Spotify streams directly through playlists from tier 1 countries. This is a service I personally use when I promote my music. I just dropped a new EP and I'm using this service to promote my new music to get streams directly through playlists. When you get the streams directly through playlists, it not only looks better in your Spotify analytics, but the royalties will be higher when you choose a service like this. Also, we have a new service for pre-saves, right? On different music distribution platforms, you'll get a pre-save link whenever you prep your music on the platform before the release date. So if you upload all of your music on your music distribution platform before the release date, they should give you different pre-save links you can share with your audience. Now, you can use those pre-save links to promote and get more pre-saves before the release of your album. This could help you get on editorial playlists if you go within Spotify for artists and request to be on those playlists or submit different songs to be on those playlists. And the only way independent artists can get on editorial playlists through Spotify is by prepping, your link and by having a pre-save link before your album drop. So that's something to keep in mind, right? Another update on socialmediafarm.net is the payment methods. Now, we offer 3 different payment methods. We offer Stripe, Square, and Coinbase, right? These are the most secure payment methods out right now. And you can come on here with as little as $1 for any one of these payment methods and submit. But the update is the Coinbase commerce. Now you can use Dogecoin to fund your account on socialmediafarm.net, right? With as little as $1. So if we go to Coinbase commerce and we select $1, you will see that you can now fund your account with Dogecoin, Ethereum, USD Coin, Litecoin, DAI, Bitcoin Cash, and Bitcoin. So you can use all of these different cryptocurrencies to now fund your account on socialmediafarm.net. And I just wanted to bring this to your attention. With as little as $1 on any one of these payment methods, you can add funds to socialmediafarm.net, making this the best SMM panel on the internet. Make sure y'all leave a like, make sure y'all comment, make sure you leave a subscribe, turn on post notifications for your boy. I'm out. Peace.